My name is Alana Lemke. I'm a German and biology double major, pre-med. So I'm with the UWEC Equestrian Team, and this year I am the fundraising coordinator, and then next year I will be the hunt seat team captain. So the UWEC Equestrian Team is a competitive equestrian team. We compete through the Intercollegiate Horse Show Association at different horse shows in the Midwest, so Minnesota, Wisconsin. Some shows are in North Dakota as well. So we ride in riding lessons, we improve our riding skills, and then we go to shows to kind of show off those skills. So we are a show team, so we go to 4 to 5 shows a semester, or I guess a year. So we go to 4 to 5 shows a year. And we have 2 teams, so we have our hunt seat team and our western team. And so the hunt seat team goes to 5 shows approximately, the western team goes to 5 shows approximately. In addition to that, each team member has to go to at least 1 practice a week during our season, and then you also have to do barn cleaning and chores at the barn that we ride at. So that means cleaning stalls probably 2 to 3 mornings a month. The process for becoming involved, first thing you do is you would contact one of our captains. All that information is on our website. You say, hey, I'm interested in this, and then we'd have you try out, and then if you make the team, you're on the team. So obviously I love horses, I love horseback riding, and I really like that I can show horses as a group. So like it's an individual sport, and outside of like the collegiate like arena, I guess, you don't really get to do that. So I really like having my teammates there and getting to spend time with other people while doing something I really like.